Hey guys, we're back. We defeated this person. Jake is still following me, and he was smelling my back. That's disgusting. Got this trainer. Alright. Pokemon. La 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 la. Oh, Pokemon trainer. Oh no, Pokemon trainer. Oh no, Pokemon trainer. Okay, there's something. Contains Pokemon trainer. Hey Banana, that was really fun. I learned a lot from you, from how you battle. I'm so excited to use what I've learned now. There's a gym in the next city. I can use the skill you've taught me there and earn another badge. I'll see you there, Banana. Alright, into the gate we go. Hey Banana, I ran into this guy when I came out of the gate. He's one of those Eclipse. Oh god! Who are you calling? Oh god! The Team Eclipse is here on official business. I can't be letting either of you two pass this point. You need to turn around and go back. Why? What are you crooks up to this time? That's none of your business. Knowing Team Eclipse, it can't be good. We need to find out what's going on. I'll battle this goon to keep him busy. You go and find out where your parents are. Okay. Guys, always heal your Pokemon all the time, so that they regain some health. Guys, there's a trick. You can go past these people. Seriously. And you got caught. My Pokemon are trained to take down metal foes like yourself. Alright. I won't say this again. Old man, hand over the orb. You can't have it. This is too dangerous in the wrong hands. And in case you're confused, do you even know what that orb can do? Yes, I know. We have a pair of hunters except fellows that orb can summon a powerful Pokemon, powerful enough to create the seas. And what makes you think you could control such a beast? We're Team Eclipse, you fool. Old fool. We can't do anything we want. We are the most powerful in the planet. And right now, the only thing standing in our way is a fleety old man. Well, I'd say if you're having trouble enough with me, there's no way you are as powerful a group as you claim. That's it! I've had enough. Grandpa, please let me fight those men. My Pokemon are strong enough. I can do this. No test. It's not safe. You shouldn't be out here. Please run inside and lock the door behind you. But Grandpa, go now. I can't let anything happen to you. What? It was smart of you to send away your granddaughter. She would have been crushed by our Pokemon. You leave her alone. This fight is between us. Yes, and it ends now. Take the oath from him. Yes, sir. We finally have what we need to call the legendary Pokemon of the sea now. The boss is going to give me a huge raise for this. Well, thank you. We'll be leaving now. Oh, who's this? Are you here to try to stop us too? Heh. I'm afraid you're too late. A little late. We have what we have come for. Our plan is one step closer to being completed. Now, if you excuse us, we'll be on our way. What's this? He won't let us pass without fight? Well, if a fight is what you want, a fight is what you'll get. Alright, boys, you're up. The trial ends here for you. You're lucky to have made it this far. Oh, it's involving! He fainted. Yay! Who wants to learn? Ugh! If you want the job done right, you gotta do it yourself. I'm not going to let you ruin our plan like some kid did back in the volcano. Because of that kid with my brothers to capture was trusted by the boss to come here in the blue orb. I must prepare for your defeat. I'll show you the battle. Oh man. Oh man. So oh my goodness. No. Please don't die. Don't die. Yes! Victorian did it! Yay, leveled up. You will regret this. No, this can't happen again! Team members cannot be frustrated like this. Wait, I might recognize you. Oh, really? So you make this to ruin our plans, do you? You should be really careful. We do not deal lightly with people. Anyways, you're gonna be in here, and now you look at your face. Well, in case, if you have... Oh, we can. No! Do you have anything what you have done? You summoned the beast! It's raining, guys. Ooh. I hate thunderstorms. I see Team Ekla. Run. It's raining. Guys, it's raining. It's raining, it's pouring, I don't even know what the rest of the words are. The legendary Kai. There he is. There he is, bye. We did it! Sorry, the loss is himself. You're out of chance. Do. Parachute, fool. Yes, man, well, perhaps in your punishment I will report this. Yes. You think our time? Blah, blah, blah. quickly handle the Pokeball. Except the other for you trainer. What is supposed to happen? What's wrong with you stinking fish? Oh! Bye-bye, Team Eclipse. Wow, I thought only Team Rocket blasted off like that. Team Eclipse is blasting off again! There's the orb. Bye, Cor. I warned those guys. Pokemon of Legend do not take kindly on people with selfish. Those men were only here to capture the control and to fulfill their evil plans. And was it me, or did that man ask Conan to help him build a new world together? I wonder what he was talking about. I know what he is talking about. Yeah. Okay. It seems like hell. The board passed it. Team Eclipse is man. Blah blah blah. The otherwise, it causes to fall. It seems was. I just saw the whole thing from the beach. What was that Pokemon? That Pokemon is the legendary of the sea. That is incredible. It must be so exciting. No. Tess, you can come out now. I know that. I mean, you don't need to talk to me like I am a child. Grandpa, let me treat me. Blah blah. Why, right? After you treat her, you're in doctor. I know what's gonna happen. Oh my, but I didn't catch yours. What's yours? Oh, you're in a banana. Jake? Banana, what's up with your fan? Banana's friend. What the heck? Alright. That sounds lovely. I can't imagine. Oh, look at those. Heh, yeah. You go and get back. I'll keep those Team Echoes cool. Oh, Banana, before you go, please take this. Protector? I know it's not much, but I wanted to give you something for all that you've done. Now, excuse me, I'll be holding inside for the rest. This old man has been through some. Alright, bye. Always heal your Pokemon, guys. Alright, guys. This is the freaking, so how you do this puzzle, I'll show you. This is easy. There you go. Let's fight that Pokemon trainer. I've done it to you guys. You can pause the video if you like. We're going to battle this trainer right now. Alright, great, you're a cat. Here we go. So, do it backwards, guys. Alright. Guys, and remember, talking to Pokemon trainers, gym leaders, never turning back. Basically. Yay, guys. We won the badge. Yay, me! You're able to level up to 50. Alright. Canes. Alright. No fighting code, blah blah blah. Always heal your Pokemon, okay guys? Oh, look who is! What a surprise you ran into! Issues. Theo has tried to steal. Guys, the truth